Hello everyone, this is Engel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the sumifs function in Excel. If you remember on our last video, I showed you how to use the sumif function in Excel, and just a refresher, sumif function is a very useful formula in Excel where it sums the value of a range of cells provided a certain condition has been met. Now, what if there are multiple conditions? So this is where the sumifs function comes in. So in our illustration here, you can easily see or add or sum up the quantity you are looking for, or you can just easily turn it into a table and deselect and click on summation symbol to get the value. But what if you have multiple or thousands of entries on this sheet? So that would be very tedious to do and time consuming. Well, it's all up to you on where you are comfortable of doing it, but it's always nice to have other options. So today I'm going to show you how to use the sumifs function, and as you can see here, we have in our illustration we have a mobile store. So let's say this is their daily sales. Okay, so we have here the brand, the color, condition, item code, and the quantity or the total sold items on a given day. So let's say we're looking for a total number of sales of a brand new phone, and the brand name is Apple or iPhone. So the formula is gonna be equal sign sumifs open parenthesis. So as you can see here, it's asking now for a sum range. So sum range is where I want or what I am looking for. So I'm looking for a quantity. So it's asking for a range. So I'm going to select this. So this is the quantity that I want to add. Okay, so I put a comma, and now it's asking for a criteria range. So it means where I can find my criteria. So my criteria is brand new, and where I can find it is in here, condition. So I can just select here and then all the way down here, and then comma. Now it's asking for a criteria. So again, the one that I am looking for is a brand new phone. So I can just click it here, and then as you can see, it automatically fills out the formula. Okay, and then comma. Now it's asking for a criteria range 2, or say second criteria. Okay, so my second criteria is the brand of the phone. So the brand that I'm looking for is Apple or iPhone. So where I can find it here. So I can just select the range all the way down here, and then if I put comma, it's asking now for a criteria, second criteria. So my second criteria is I'm looking for an Apple. Okay, so if I put another comma here, it will ask a third criteria or third criteria range, but I don't have any third criteria. Okay, unless I have it, then I can just continue the formula, okay, or the pattern here. So if I don't have any more, then I can just delete the comma and then put close parenthesis and then hit enter, and there you have the results. So now let's say we're looking for a refurbished phone, a total number of sales of a refurbished phone. So same formula, equal sign, sum ifs, open parenthesis, so this is my sum range, okay, and then comma, criteria range is here, and then comma, now it's asking for criteria, then I'm looking for a refurbished phone, and then comma, so second criteria range, this is where I can find it, so I highlighted it, and then comma, click the brand name, and then end parenthesis or close parenthesis, and then hit enter. Okay, so the next one is let's say I'm looking for a total number of sales of an iPhone where the item code starts with A2. Okay, so show you how to do it. So equal sign, sum ifs, open parenthesis, sum range, comma, criteria range. So I'm looking for the item code now, so this is the cell range that I am going to highlight. And since I'm looking for a specific code which starts with A2, so I can just put comma and then quote or double quote, sorry, and then I put A2 and then asterisk and then end quote. So asterisk means any value after it as long as it starts with A2, okay, it will sum up the total value or total quantity that I am looking for. Okay, so if I put comma again and then I'm looking for an apple, so here is my second criteria range, and then put comma, and then my criteria is apple, or that's the brand, and then close parenthesis and then hit enter. In our last example here, we're looking for a total number of sales of an iPhone that has an item code of -26. Okay, so the formula is gonna be sum ifs, left parenthesis, sum range, comma, criteria range number 1, comma. So now we're looking for a -26 item code. So I will put code and then asterisk. Asterisk means characters that comes before -26, Excel will going to count it. And then I'm going to put another asterisk. So this means that any characters that comes after -26, Excel will going to count it. So end quote and then comma. So my second criteria is the brand. So here is the criteria range, and then I'm looking for an apple. So I click on this, and then close parenthesis, and then hit enter. Okay, so let's say I'm going to change this to Samsung, then the value here, or the values here, will going to change as well. Okay, so Apple, okay, refurbished. So see, it's in formula, so even if we change the value in our table here, then it will going to change as well on what we have here in the formula. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching.